Hey y'all, listen, I want to do a quick review, man. I had to stop what I was doing. I'm in here installing these shelves at a job site right now. And I'm in the thick of it. It's all going down right now. And this little guy right here is called a Stud Buddy. And I was reluctant on buying it because it said that it's stuck. It's a magnet basically. And basically the magnet's gonna stick on the wall. And I was like, man, I got wood studs here at this job site. Sometimes I have metal studs and everything, but I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and get this bad boy. It's $10. If it don't work, I'll take it back. You know what I mean? But I'm like, wow, you see that bad boy sitting right on the wall. I've only had it for the day. This right here is not really getting worn out where I'm kind of running it over, and even you can see I even got texture on the wall there. But you can see that bad boy just stick right on the wall. And basically what you gotta do is you gotta scan the wall, you know, to find you a stud. I'm gonna find one down here with y'all. And in this area, I don't have any J-clips there. You see the distance there? Because I plan on putting the stud in the middle somewhere. But let me see if I can even find the stud over. It should be about 12 to 16 inches. Yep, and there's a stud right there, you know? So I can put a little C-clip, what I'm putting on the wall right there to make sure the shelf don't fall down. I can put it right there. You see the two different options I got to put it. It sticks on the wall. I'm afraid I'm gonna leave the dang on thing on the wall on an accident and have to go buy a new one. But it's pretty good, man. I really like it. I think it's nice. I use the electronic stud finder. It was like $80. And I will be scanning the walls and it tell me a stud is like right here. And then I go to put a dang on C-clip in the wall and I ain't hitting nothing but drywall. Wouldn't be no stud. And when it's come to hanging these shelves, I'm trying to move as fast as I possibly can to get it done and get gone and get moving. But that's it, man. You know, if you've been thinking about buying this little Stud Buddy, it is totally worth it. It works. It's nice. All right. Let me know if you get one. Leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.